Hello, my name is Christelle and I live in a small country located in the Middle East called Lebanon. I am here to help you improve your English language. I graduated last year with a degree in linguistics, which will help me help anyone improve their English language. I focus on grammar, pronunciation, sentence structure, accent, and many other aspects of the English language. I can also help you improve your writing skills. I enjoy teaching children and teenagers, and I also make sure my students enjoy my lessons, so I incorporate music, games, and fun activities. I also teach TOEFL, and I not only make sure my students pass their exams, but I also make sure that they pass the exams with high grades. Trust me, I can help you. So what are you waiting for? You can contact me or you can book a trial lesson now so we can get to know each other. Bye.